Hi, welcome to Fratello Initech, your ultimate destination for learning latest technologies.
Hello everyone. In this session, I am going to explain about calculated columns in Power BI. So, in calculated column in Power BI is a column created using the DAX formula based on the existing table data. So, it is calculated by row and stored in the data model permanently. So here the calculated columns are created in data view using the new column option. Here you can see that here. So new column is there. So they are mainly used to perform row level calculations like profit equals to sales minus cost. So unlike measures, so calculated columns do not change based on filters in visuals. So they increase the size of the data model because values are stored in memory. So calculated columns help in creating the relationship between using the derived keys. So in real time, they are used in sales analysis to calculate total price and discount and profit per transactions. So in HR systems, they are used to calculate age and experience and overtime pay for each employees. So in banking and retail dashboards, calculated columns are used to categorize the customers and generate the status labels and create the grouping fields for reporting. So see that I'm showing you practically. So here we have employee data, employee ID, name and department, basic salary and bonus, working days, overtime hours. So I'm calculating total salary and daily salary now. So this is the Power BI desktop. Just load the data from the Excel file. So click on the get data. So use Excel workbook. So take any Excel data. So I have employee data here. So when we load the data, so it will open the navigator like this. So load and transform data. So just select the employee data. So see that here we have null values. So just click on the transform data to clean the null values. So when we transform the data, it will open the Power BI query editor. So just remove the nulls. So unselect the null values. So here in the down. So here we have OK. So click OK. So use first row as headers here. So see that here we have data, employee data. So after cleaning the data, just click on close and apply. So employee data is loaded. So see that employee ID, name, department and basic salary, bonus, working days and overtime hours. So just I am calculating the base total salary for each and every employee and daily salary. So select the new column here. So I am finding the total salary for each and every employee. So just select the new column. So see that. So give the column name as total salary equals to. So total salary means we have to add the basic salary plus bonus for each and every employee. So basic salary and bonus is in the employee data. So select the employee data basic salary plus and here we have bonus. So that is also in the employee data. Just select that. So enter. So see that we have calculated total salary for each and every employee. So we can also calculate the daily salary. So daily salary means we have to divide the basic salary by working hours, overtime. So here working days. So click on that. So I am calculating new column again. So here click on that. So I am finding the daily salary. So daily salary of each employee. So equals to, so basic salary, we have to divide that basic salary and working days. So basic salary is in employee data, select that. And so working days you have to, so you have to use the divide here. So divide. So inbuilt function is there, divide, then comma. Working days is in employee data. So select that. Working days. Then close, enter. So see that. So we have calculated the daily salary for each and every employee. So in this way we are using the calculated column in the Power BI. So see that. So calculated column equals to new column plus formula plus row level calculation. So it is a row level calculation. So it stores value physically inside the table after calculation. So here, so see that. So we have calculated total salary for each and every employee and daily salary. So this is all about calculated column in Power BI. So remaining we'll discuss in next class.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for live updates. Please visit www.fratelloinitech.com for more courses.